Alright, so we did our project on diabetes. Diabetes is when your blood glucose or blood sugars are too high. There's two types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes occurs when your immune system is fighting for the infection and attacks and destroys the insulin production beta cells. There are a number of different types of diabetes, some of which are prevalent than others. The most common form of diabetes in the general population is type 2 diabetes, which often develops from pre-diabetes.
Type 1 diabetes is most common in children and is gestational diabetes is a form of diabetes that occurs during pregnancy. Type 1 diabetes, also known as juvenile diabetes or insulin-dependent diabetes, is a chronic condition in which the pancreas produces little or no insulin. Insulin is a hormone needed to allow sugar, also glucose, to enter cells to produce energy. If your body, with that type 1 diabetes, your body does not make insulin. No energy and eventually death. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of diabetes. If you have type 2 diabetes, your body does not use insulin properly. So that means instead of not having it this time, your body doesn't know how to use it. This is called insulin resistance. First, your pancreas makes extra insulin to make up for the ones that you're not, because basically your body thinks that you don't have enough, and then it realizes oh, you're not using what you have, basically. Usually, it is a condition in which muscles, liver, and fat cells do not use insulin well. As a result, your body needs more insulin to help glucose enter cells. Over time, the pancreas can't make enough
100
insulin.
million US adults are now living with diabetes and pre-diabetes, according to a new report released today by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. The report finds that as of 2015, 30.3 million Americans, 9.4% of the U.S. population, have diabetes.
Lower limb amputation. In 2016, an estimated 1.6 million deaths were directly caused by diabetes. Another 2.2 million deaths were attributable to high blood glucose in 2012. As many as 24,000 people with diabetes are dying unnecessarily each year. Many of the papers have reported today. This shock statistic was a conclusion from the National Diabetes Audit, the first ever report to look at deaths from the condition. More funding and research, better public support for legislation issues, more understanding and empathy, less blame and shame. To help spread the awareness to prevent help of diabetes victim. Wear a white and blue shirt on April 14th for Colors of Hope. Thank you.